Welcome to this tutorial on how to send crypto on Bullx. Bullx is a secure and user-friendly platform that allows you to buy, sell, and transfer various cryptocurrencies. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Bullx platform and complete the verification process. First, log into your Bullx account and navigate to the dashboard. From here, click on the Send button, which is usually located next to the Receive button. You will be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you want to send. So choose the one you wish to transfer. Next, enter the recipient's wallet address in the address field. It is crucial to double-check the address to ensure it is correct, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. You can also add a label or description to the transaction for your records. After entering the recipient's address, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. You can choose to enter the amount in either the cryptocurrency's native unit or your local fiat currency. Bullx will automatically calculate the equivalent amount based on the current market rate. Before confirming the transaction, review the details carefully. Check the recipient's address, the amount, and the transaction fee. The fee is usually a small fraction of the transaction amount and is used to validate the transaction on the blockchain. Once you are satisfied with the details, click the Confirm button to initiate the transaction. Bullx will then prompt you to enter your password or authenticate the transaction using two-factor authentication. After authentication, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain network, where it will be verified and confirmed by nodes and miners. The recipient will receive the cryptocurrency once the transaction has been confirmed, which can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the blockchain's congestion and the fee paid. To ensure secure and successful transactions, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication on your Bullx account. Additionally, make sure to only send cryptocurrency to wallets that support the specific cryptocurrency you are transferring, and never share your private keys or wallet addresses with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send crypto on Bullx. Remember to always review your transactions carefully and use the platform's built-in security features to protect your account and assets.